Welcome back guys. Today magluluto tayo ng baked pork ribs. Wow. Yum 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 yum. So we have one pack pork ribs. Then we need to open up and drain the water. Oh, this is like a 2-pounder pork ribs. Oh, look at that. At this time, we need to remove the excess water by using a damp cloth or a paper towel. Add tablespoon of oil and spread evenly into the pork. Next is a tablespoon of light soy sauce and spread also. Then a tablespoon of crushed peppercorn, tablespoon of coarse sea salt, and 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, and 2 tablespoons of onion powder, a tablespoon of paprika, and lastly a tablespoon of dried oregano. And this is what it looks like, guys. Oh, overcrowded condiments. Then we need to wrap it in a foil and a baking paper. But before enclosing it, we need to season the other side. Just like this. After wrapping it, we need to bake it for 1 hour and 30 minutes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. And all we need to do now is wait until 1.5 hour is done. Now let's check our pork ribs. Open up and wow, really wow, look at that, guys. Wow, this is really amazing, but still have one more step to go. Get our barbecue sauce, brush it all over our pork ribs, then bake it at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. I split the pork ribs, guys, because it's too big for the pan. And the more the barbecue sauce, the better the taste. Actually, this one is good to go, but we want better. And our 15 minutes is over, guys, so we'll see what we have. Wow, it's so mouth-watering, guys. Ooh, kalami. We accept order, guys. If you want, please comment on the comment section below and we'll talk about the price. And thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to get notified for our next video. Bye bye.